Caitlin estimated pi to be between 3.10 and 3.21. If she uses this approximation of pi to determine the area of a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters, what would the area be? So we need to use one estimation that is smaller and one that is bigger. Remember, area is pi times radius squared. So in this problem, with a radius of 5, we want pi times 5 squared, which is pi times 25. But we want to use the under approximation and the over approximation. So for the value that is below our area, we're going to do 25 times 3.10. And for our value that is above our approximation, we're going to take 25 and multiply it by 3.21. The smaller value comes out to 77.5, and our radius was measured in centimeters, so we should use centimeters squared. For our over approximation, we would use 3.21 times 25, which comes out to 21.25 centimeters squared. So the area is between 77.5 and 80.25. For number 2, it says, Mika estimated the circumference. Circumference uses pi times diameter, or a diameter can be written as 2 radiuses. So, with a radius of 4.5 and a circumference of 28.44, we have to determine the approximate value of pi. So we know C is 28.44. So in our formula, we can replace C with 28.44, leave pi, and then 2 times 4.5, because that is the radius. 2 times 4.5 is 9. And now we can solve for pi by dividing both sides by 9, which gives us pi is 3.16. So what approximate value did she use for pi? She used 3.16. And do you think this is an appropriate approximation or an acceptable approximation? So you can say something different or you can disagree with me, but I think that this is an appropriate approximation because it is between 3.1 and 3.2. We typically use 3.14, which is just a little under 3.16. You might say this is not close enough, but you can choose either one as long as you give a justification for why.